Welcome back, Jeff here again, Green Country Custom Baits. We're back on our swim baits. I believe this is a Spro shad here that was sent to me. We're going to be doing it, and I don't know, I'm calling it kind of the electric blue shad, the interesting color. So let's jump right into this. So first thing we're going to do is we've already kind of got this lure cleaned up, sandblasted, whatever. And we're going to be adding our raw sienna up here around the eye, and it's about the best color, and I feel like it's pretty much a dead match to what's get it back behind that gill a little bit. Coming out there toward the eye, and then that's going to run right down that lateral line. And right now I'm just trying to get a baseline of where I'm going to sit there. Come right above the peak. Because it's pretty faint. So we're going to be coming over that with some blue. And the blue that we're going to use on this particular one is Caribbean blue. We're really going to mute that down. We're going to add a little pearl white to the mix. And most of the top of the bait is this color. And hence the name I give it, the Caribbean. I guess I ought to call it Caribbean blue, huh? Instead of electric blue, electric shad, Caribbean shad. I don't know. We've got to come up with something for it. We're going to be putting a little bit of this pearl white and a little pearl blue, and starting off light and just kind of building it from there. Because most of this bait is that color. We went through that in a hurry. Didn't get a lot of Caribbean out of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 drops of pearl. 2, 3 drops of the Caribbean. 8 to 3. We're going to see. I think we're going to have to go a little bit more. We'll go 5. And we'll probably come in after we just kind of get us a base set. We'll kind of come in and go full strength with the blue. I mainly want to get some of this pearl behind it and mute some of that yellow just a tad. Right. Now we'll come in with a couple drops of in the same cup. And we'll build our blue. Just needs a little bit more. I think we nailed it there. That looks pretty good. Now we got to come in around the head. We've got our raw sienna, our yellow color down, and I'm going to come in with some of this red oxide. Is what it looks like to me in that picture, and add that over that raw sienna. Oh, what I got with this fluorescent yellow out here, that's way too bright. I don't want this to look irregular, so we're going to come in at the top. Get some of that real fine little dots in there. And we're going to come back and do the same thing on the other side. A little darker maybe on top. We'll probably put just a little bit of a dark brown up on top, just to kind of darken the very tip of it up. And I think we got a match. And hopefully the individual that mailed this to us, without mentioning names, will get on here and comment. Of course, I think I've had these lures in waiting here since the end of October. So he's been very patient. I haven't heard from him. He knew it was going to be a little bit of time before I could get to him. And so we getting to him, and we're going to get them finished and get them shipped out to him Monday morning. Going to get the back a little bit darker. Oh yeah. Fantastic. Really, that's the gist of it. I can't really tell what's going any more on toward the back. Got my little toothpicks in here so that I can keep that joint stable. Oh, we got to put a shad dot on. I don't know what I'm thinking here. So we're just going to make our own. And let's peel back and reveal the eyes. Where's my... Give it a good look. Oh, yeah. Oh, kind of nicked it right there. I'll fix that right up. Gotta watch it with these blades. We're a little more careful on that side. So there you have shad replicated. I don't know. Looks pretty spot on to me. Well, guys, appreciate you stopping in and watching. Hope you got some value out of it. If you did, leave a comment. Tell me what value you're getting out of our educational painting channel. And by all means, give me a thumbs up if this is something that you enjoyed watching and learning from. Until next week, Green Country Baits, signing out.